I think the experience of the player, dahil alam nila fourth quarter is pivotal, and the killer instinct of the player, especially Gilmar Fajardo and Chris Ross, they know how to handle the finals. And this is a very important game, third game or first game in the best of 5 series. And everybody was inspired what these two guys are doing in the court. Not only in scoring, but on defending, especially Chris Ross. And his leadership is really amazing. And then magugulat kayo kung paano siya maglaro ngayon in spite of sa, alam niyo na, ngayon, pero age doesn't matter. Okay? And of course, Junmar is a very experienced player when it comes to playoff. He wants to win it. And that is the most important thing. Everyone wants to win.
Thank you, Coach Leo ng Junmar. Looking at field goal attempts in today's game, napataas mo compared to the last without sacrificing efficiency. Anong ginagawa ng mga teammates mo na nakatulong para mo may 80% field goal percentage?
Una-una, gusto lang kami agad na walang seryosong masaktan sa game na to. Alam namin na physical yung game na to. Sana yung mga may injury, sana fast recovery. And then, yun nga, kami lahat nag-step up, lahat ng pinasok ni Coach sa loob ng court, nag-step up lahat. Yun, sinunod namin yung plays namin, maganda yung namin, maganda yung preparation namin. So, ayun, buti nakuha namin yung panalong to.
Thank you, Junmar. You would like to look forward or fresh on the test?
Junmar, congratulations.
Yes.
Junmar, yung PNP nalakas ng big man wala si Poy. Naging madali pa sa iyo na wala si Poy o ganun pa rin dahil natumayo si Kalinato at si Tigger?
Mahirap pa rin, katulad si Poy, mahirap pa rin para sa akin. Pero yun nga, doon naman yung mga teammates ko, kita nyo naman, si Kelly, nakashoot siya ilang threes, then nag-drive siya. Medyo, siyempre nahirapan ako, depensahan siya, pero thankful ako sa mga teammates ko kasi nagpo-provide naman sila ng help para sa akin. So alam naman nila na mabibit ako ni Kelly, so nagpo-provide sila ng help para sa akin. So yun.
So, the absence of Poy, nakakita sa preparation ng your team adjustments?
Ano ulit?
Without Poy,
Yes, sir.
so in our practice yesterday, so we have a lot of viewings, including in our preparations Poy Aram, because we don't know what really happened. Although you can see it naman in the replay, he cannot, but there's always a surprise. So unfortunately for them, he was not able to play, but our preparation is always included. Kahit nga sinabata, kasama sa preparation namin yun. Kaya lang, everybody, dahil katulad ng nangyari kanina, Vosotros, talagang magic bullet yun nila. And then we have to be careful. Everybody, especially in the finals, kailangan bantayan.
What's up because yung forward siya ni CJ ko yung second quarter and third, yung kayo nakita mo,
Yeah, I think during the first half, I told them na third quarter is really pivotal in every game, not only the championship. Because in the past, third quarter, usually doon kami bumabagsak eh. But tonight, but giving them emphasize, this is really important, and that's what happened. And there's a lot of energy, and that's the reason why our opponent committed a lot of turnovers. Imagine 32 turnover points, and that is because of the energy and intensity, and that is aggressiveness.
Yung fourth quarter na was good in terms of field goal percentage, but meron pa natin yung list ng free throws dito. Particularly in the fourth quarter. Ano natin na kung magagawin yung step up sa period after that quarter na natin free throws?
Sige yun.
Para sa'yo.
The free throws? Yeah, it's a part of the game, siyempre, the players, nobody wants to miss that free throws, Maybe, nararamdaman nila yung pressure, but I'm confident with them na they want to win, And makikita natin, dami nun but I believe these players, don't want to lose tonight. Okay. And then, I think, so I have to give credit to their grit, and then talagang matatapang sila maglaro. Kanina, makikita mo naman nobody gives up. Even though we're leading in double figures in the last 2 minutes, they're still there. They're forcing talk and text to commit a turnover, and that's the killer instinct of the player.
And that's what's over post-game press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again to San Diego.
Thank you.
Thank you.